Yes, finally you're here. Finally you are going to learn Photoshop. Come on guys. This course offers you to learn plenty of things that you are actually looking to learn. We are starting from tools. We have 60 plus tools available in the tools menu. Mostly are outstanding. Then we are moving to learn blending modes, covering all the 27 blending modes, starting from distort, then covering all the darkening blending mode, that's darken, multiply, color bone, linear bone, and darker color. The next group, lighten blending modes, that's lighten, screen, color dodge, linear dodge, lighter color. Then we are covering contrast blending modes, overlay, soft light, hard light, vivid light, linear light, pin light, and hard mix. And finally the inversion color component blending modes, that's difference, exclusion, subtract, divide. And we have the last category, hue, saturation, color, and luminosity. You may think this really boring. No, actually we are going to learn a great section of creative editing. Doing makeup, that's clean up face, doing contour makeup, just like this, making lipstick, changing eye color, removing dark under eyes. We have a great section of masking text, screens, and masking with pen tool and laptop. This is pretty impressive, and I know this is one of the things you are searching for. After completing this course, you will be able to make any photo into stunning comic book effect and a color pencil sketch effect. We are covering all the things of blend-if, that's hiding objects inside the sky, placing a person inside a car, making a fake sunshine effect, and more. Alright, we are moving to some poster designing, a classic colorful poster, and small wall designing. Then it's moving to another creative parts, that's removing background of an image, perfectly scan a signature, learning fill and content aware tool, then transform options, pepper tool, fit into canvas, then Photoshop tips and tricks. We completed nothing. Actually, in this course we are covering all the 10 layer styles, its structure, what are each sliders, options, then settings, starting from drop shadow. And also we are going to make a fake chair shadow in this section. After completing drop shadow, we are mastering outer glow, pattern overlay, gradient overlay, then color overlay, satin, inner glow, inner shadow, stroke, and the great bevel and emboss. We are discussing every single thing, that including contours, graph editing, everything. And also I'm going to teach you 4 different text effects, that's simple glass text effect, 3D text effect, neon glow text effect, then a simple text effect. Finally, nothing is boring and nothing is confusing. Don't worry, we are covering all the adjustments, that 19 adjustment layers, including all 3 filling adjustments, that's solid color, gradient fill, pattern fill. Then we are learning the A to Z things of brightness or contrast, levels, and colors adjustments layer for the great color correction, exposure adjustments. Then we have a great section of hue saturation adjustments, color balance, black and white adjustments, photo filter, channel mixer, color lookup, then finally invert and posterize, then threshold and gradient map, and selective color adjustments. So at the end of the course you will be able to edit any photo without fear, and eventually the Photoshop icons or structure will never scare you because you will become a master in Photoshop. After completing all the videos, you can develop your skills in Photoshop and you can proudly announce to your friends, family, or for doing professional works you can edit in Photoshop. So just enroll now. Thank you.